Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Yemra Law School, one of our biggest pet subjects. A bibia watch ho aka ho adem so what you court krana.
With the court.
Asem with the law school.
Kwame. Law school asem no sifim adia sebi yare hu yi. If you say a man-made problem enipa aye. Ehia say ye benya sa problem no. Kwame me accountant.
Yeah.
Who say make about accounting profession. Me doctor, but your medical profession. As I can make a change say you a lot of professions. But adentina obian ka say accounting profession ye say na medical profession. Adentina ye law school kwa na de bia ye ka ho asem. Because law school no what might create problem bi wo ho a man for yaka ye because Supreme Court say ya kan ma Supreme Court ka say ma wini asem America no. One use model beer Kwame ye no in 1959 Ghana School of Law no
60 years ago
60 years ago those days no Ghana no you started my little history the first time I pass law I just say practicing law 1876 almost year Supreme Court ordinance now those days no be any lawyer international unuma asem kan na wakojina court na wakasem na kakra na kakra bi ko abrochire ekoye ins na omo back na omo ye lontino 1958 and a papa bi your friend Geoffrey Bing no ye attorney general no ka say lawyers are woma kwaba ni nyina ye conservative e wo UP inti ne be den na ye betima train CPP lawyers in tem and one more compete ye pe lawyers bia ye pe university educated lawyers kra and also okay solution is ye create Ghana School of Law. That's the origins of the Ghana School of Law to train lawyers very quickly our university background. Now at the same time or around the same time, no, 1956, university those days, University College, University of Ghana, and saying, so started say ye Faculty of Law, and our commission, International Advisory Committee, made up of Akwabia friend Gawa, or no Troy company code, and say Assistant 2019, Gawa, and a Sutherland from Harvard, and a Cohen from Melbourne. Sadi pa mi saying ebe steady your system no and I say no so open say training good lawyers or say omu nyina eco university
okay
but esa say ya Ghana School of Law no omu wie omu university na omu ko bibia your friend say finishing school e Ghana School of Law yes omu ko ye exam abia fail finishing school omu ko sua say ye file briefs ni nema that is the modeler ewoho 1958 na Kwame Krono yenyi from 1958 in those days you were University of Ghana kwa these days you be 11 universities are omo ye law but still no you insist say obi a we law no a e won university na ombra makola hon na nsan di bia kokumasi ya starting kan ye won di bia kokumasi e modeler no matter what you do no it won't work because there are more people are here training them womu nyina womu here opportunity say we betima prove say we betima law no
laws
obi ani wa call law school university akoje LLB degree no kwa womu nyina per say womu wi womu ye lawyer and we have to give them the opportunity to take an exam to show say we betima law no ana womu ntimi ye Ghana Kwame epani kura mahu a enipa kura sika sompe somutua fees esua ade na obi this case general legal counsel say yempe osika ye nkyere wade ko na ekoni nam ko na ye de obeye it will never happen obroni bia ni wiase even in African countries Rwanda obi ani ho obi kura sika so pe so osua ade a obeka say mimpo sika mensua ade
na sane no ha
Sad because so omu university no the only place they have to go no ye Ghana School of Law
Makola
Makola and na Ghana School of Law no bakoso Gimpa na bakoso CC Kumasi but they can only hold so many people into we find say 2,000 students and anya LLB no from the university no sa Ghana School of Law no bet me accommodate be 400 or 500 pe
into 1,500 number fine
fa wo ho anu na ma manya bre ada bia na me kasan say adentina ye society every year no ye be ka kire 1,500 students a mu kra sika so be sua ade say ye mpem sika mun ko ye dem be ye okro bia ni ho running is a kroni be advanced da pun fed da no matter what. And when your problem be me feel say a simple to solve.
This FM 104.3 good to me, Taki.